Oh hey, I'm just filling up my watering can from the Make Water Work rain barrel, and then I'm going to water my hanging basket. My name is Toni Boot, and I am the mayor of the District of Summerland. And as we do every year, the Okanagan Basin Water Board is starting its Make Water Work campaign again for this year. My pledge this year is to make sure that I am planting plants that are suitable for our dry climate. Come with me and I'll show you a few that I have in my garden. I encourage everyone in Summerland to take the same pledge that I did, to put in plants that are suitable for our dry climate. Here's a few examples from my garden. Hens and chick, heather, daylily, coral bells, and yarrow. Thanks very much, and let's make Summerland the top of the list for Make Water Work program this year.
Hello, I'm John Vasilaki, Mayor of Penticton. For my part to conserve water, I'll pledge to only water between dusk and dawn this summer, and invite you to do the same and to make your own pledge by visiting makewaterwork.ca. Together, we can reduce our consumption and ensure as a community we are doing our part to conserve water this summer.
Hi everybody, I'm Sue McCordoff, Mayor of Osoyoos and Chair of the Okanagan Basin Water Board. And at the start of our Make Water Work launch, all of the mayors are choosing something to pledge. And so I pledge to tune up my home irrigation system. I had my contractor come over recently and check that all of the sprinklers were working properly, and I pledge to make sure that I periodically look at my irrigation system, check to make sure everything's working, and I would like everyone else in town to also pledge to make water work. Come on, Osoyoos, we all need to pledge to make water work. Reduce your use and use your water wisely.
Hello, my name is Jim Garlick, Mayor of the District of Coldstream, and I pledge this year to water plants. Not pavement. You can make that same pledge too by going to makewaterwork.ca.
I'm Chris Pieper, Mayor of Armstrong, and I challenge all mayors to make water work in 2020. Water your lawns between dusk and dawn, at best times being 10 p.m. to 6 a.m.
Hey everybody, I'm Kelowna Mayor Colin Bazran. I would say over the last few weeks we've recognized just how important our yards and our green spaces are, but I think we all know that they utilize a lot of water in order to keep them green. So I am urging everybody to take the Make Water Work Challenge. And so my family has agreed to aerate and top dress with compost. But there are a number of different ways that you can help conserve water, especially knowing that we're going to have a really hot and dry summer. It's more important than ever that we all play our part. So I urge you to go to the makewaterwork.ca website and make your pledge as to how you're going to save water. Now, I'm going to get back to work.
Hi, it's Mayor Cindy Fortin of Peachland. Peachland was last year's Make Water Work Community Champions, and I'm taking the pledge again this year. My pledge is to choose plants suitable for the dry climate. One of my favorites is the hens and chicks, because I don't have a green thumb for one thing and they grow so beautifully, but they're also good in dry weather and dry climate. They're a succulent type plant and they're also hardy over the winter months. And I challenge all the mayors of the Okanagan to take a pledge as well, and let's conserve water. Even during the COVID crisis, conserving water is really important in our community and beyond. Thank you.
Hello, my name's Gord Milsom. I'm the mayor of the beautiful city of West Kelowna. And during these unprecedented times of COVID-19, many of us are staying close to home and working out in our yards. It's really important that we do what we can to conserve water and to be water wise. My pledge is to water plants and grass and not the pavement. So I encourage each and every one of you, I challenge you to also make a pledge. Just simply go to makewaterwork.ca. Thank you.
James Baker, the mayor in Lake Country. I pledge to never mow low, but let it grow. And I challenge everyone to make a pledge and go to makewaterwork.ca.
Good afternoon. I'm Mark Johansson, Mayor for the town of Oliver, and I pledge to choose plants that are suitable to our dry climate. I challenge you to do the same, and if you want to see what type of plants I'm talking about, visit the website makewaterwork.ca, and there's a list of plants available on that site. Thank you.
Hi there, I'm Mayor Christine Fraser from the Township of Spallumchen, and I pledge to never mow low and let it grow. What that looks like, do you want to set your lawnmower a little bit higher, and you want to leave your grass about 2 to 3 inches long. By doing this, the water evaporates more slowly, and we can all help preserve water in the Okanagan. So I'm encouraging all of our residents, as well as every resident in the Okanagan, to make water work.